Recording now and go.
Alright, people, it's so close to my face. You're gonna see the pimples in the acne. Anyway, this Green Apple Crew came to be. So it's me and Tyree and Josiah. We all sitting at the table, and Tyree says, "I freaking love green apples."
Out of nowhere.
So like it's just like really random. So then I'm like, okay, and then he goes, "Do you freaking love green apples?" And I go, "I freaking love green apples." Then he was like,
"I'll take a bullet for an apple."
Yeah.
We'll take a bullet for he'll die for an apple. Yes. I was like, okay.
I mean, that's the retarded stuff I would. A green apple.
That's Jari.
But see, that's how dedicated they and I are to the Green Apple Crew.
But I am the leader, of course. It's a freaking lie.
I think Derek's the lead.
I write all the songs. I'm writing all the songs, though.
Anyway, you're not
writing all the songs.
Yeah, shut up!
Most of it.
What have you written? What on this paper?
I did
Unless, okay, if you look at the paper,
Look at the anything on this paper.
Because of brainstorming and they're being ADHD right now. Or ADD right now.
They're the same thing, it doesn't matter.
It's whatever. Okay, so this is how Green Apple Crew started. I freaking love green apples.
You can say that on YouTube.
I freaking love green
Oh,
apples.
there is a YouTube. So anyway, right.
Dude!
Kept saying green and apples.
I freaking love green apples.
I love green apples. Red
I think we covered that.
I love green apples.
I know. She doesn't know. So now we're trying to brainstorm this song.
Grapes. Can you believe this? Grapes? Really? Grapes?
She's an independent black woman.
I hate
you don't need no man.
Grapes are my least favorite flavor of everything.
Grapes
It's okay.
Apples.
You used to date that grape.
We're no longer.
No, you used to date that grape.
Grapes and green apples don't mix. That's why it's over now. Grapes and green grapes and green apples don't work.
It lasted a while.
Alright,
I must have really loved that grape.
whatever.
We're amateurs. Get the video done.
And then Mr. Higginbotham, the band director, he asked him if he freaking loved green apples. He says, "No, I'm in love with red apples."
He's like, I'm the
That
red
really
apple
made me
king.
mad. So I was like, you know what? It's whatever.
Well, he's a red.
Yo, Jari.
What the heck?
Okay, so
Hey,
we
yo,
were
share
in
us on
band.
Facebook.
Look,
Check-
we were in band, right?
Hey, yo, if
So-
you're watching this video, share us on Facebook. Okay, we need the views. And put your hand down, because I'm trying to, whatever that word is.
See how desperate they are?
So,
Whatever.
anyway.
Oh, really? Oh, really?
Oh, really,
So,
Derek?
yeah, share us on
Whatever.
Facebook. We need
Yo,
views.
Josiah,
So we were in band, and
Shut up,
this dude named James Dixon, who's second
one more
chair
time,
in
yeah,
our
one more
band
time,
class,
please.
flute, right?
I'm on,
And then like,
smash up here.
Dude, try
please, somebody stop this guy. I mean, God.
You should kick him out.
So we're in band, and then Mr. H is talking, and James does something really stupid. And then Mr. H was just like, you know what, James, just shut up. It's like, before I take this flute, and he said something that's very inappropriate, right? So then this guy, he's like, and that's how rag works. And a rag, of course, is a red apple. I'm done now.
Yeah, share us on Facebook, on Twitter. If you're watching this, just put us out there. We need views. Okay. Stop
Ooh,
talking like
silence.
that.
You just got silence.
Who said I was silenced?
Don't
This is
record
all
that.
the people though that we got right now. It's me,
Jerry, what's your phone
Eric.
number? Jerry, what's your phone number?
Nope, I'm good.
Nope.
Hi.